Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and our today's topic is overlap. See, overlap is a welding defect and it is caused when the weld metal protrudes beyond the weld toe or root. So I'll show you with the help of an example. See, this is our welding. Now if the weld metal will protrude out of the surface like this, see, the weld metal should have been up to here, up to this location. It was supposed to be up to this location, but if protrudes outside beyond this is the toe. So if it protrudes outside beyond the toe like this, then it is called as overlap. So this is overlap. I will show you overlap with the help of a photograph. See, this is our joint, and here weld metal should have been up to here, up to this location, but it has protruded beyond this point. So normally it is here quite round in shape. See here, round in shape, but like this, round in shape. So this is overlap. Now friends, what are the causes and remedies of overlap? That I will explain you. See, overlap is unacceptable because overlap happens, then here some area remains unfused, hence it is very unacceptable. And the major causes of overlap is incorrect welding procedures. If our welding procedure is not correct, then we'll get overlap. Hence we need to correct our welding procedure. Then the second cause is incorrect or inappropriate selection of welding materials. Inappropriate or incorrect selection of welding material. So the welding material which we are using must be appropriate as per our procedure. And the third and important point is improper preparation. Improper preparation of base metal. So before welding, the joint needs to be prepared as per our design. So in case if it is not as per our drawing, then chances of overlap will be there. So we can rectify by avoiding these causes. We can rectify the overlap. So friends, this was about overlap. Did you like this video? If you like this video, please hit the like icon and share the link with your friends. Thank you very much.